Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add or remove pages in Wix website menu. So here you can see currently in the Wix website menu we have home, about, my blog, contact, and in more, landing page, book online. So for example, if I want to remove this one, landing page, how I can do that? Let me open wix.com, and now I need to edit my Wix website. So first of all, here you can see all of the websites. Let me click here one of the website that I want to edit. And now on the top here you can see edit site option. Click here. Then now you can easily edit your Wix website in the Wix editor. So as we see, there are different type of page builders that we use in content management system websites. And now you can simply use drag and drop functionality to add and remove anything in your Wix website. So it will take few seconds to load this page builder, and after that so now to edit this menu, let me go here, pages and menu. Here you can see this one. Then here you can find out all of the pages that are added in menu. So if you want to delete, then here you can see three dots. Simply click here on delete button, then again delete. And if you want to add back, then simply you can go here, add menu item, and you can add new page, blog page. You can create a custom link section. So now I want to add a new page. Let me add this one, projects. And now here you can see these are different layouts related to projects. So let me add this one. And here you can see it is adding a new page in menu. So let me scroll down, and here you can see publish button. You can simply save website. So guys, here you can see it is updated.